So first of all, this is my Arduino. So I've already drawn out all the components needed. So this is the Arduino, this is the sound sensor, and these are both of my LED strips. So and I've also labeled the pins which I'll be using, or the wires. So yeah, let's get them connected. So first we'll connect the analog one, this one, to the analog output of the sound sensor. So let's get this done. There will be a picture of this diagram in the description, and all the links for the components will be in the description. So analog output connected to analog 1. Now connect the ground pin with the ground. So this is my ground pin. Which I have drawn out. This is connected. Now the positive, done. So and the digital output should be left alone, not connected. So next, let's connect this sound sensor. Will be sending the sound data according to the sound. So this is the microphone, and then to the Arduino. Yeah. So that will be it for this connection. Now let's get this and this connected. So for this we'll need a power supply. So I'll quickly draw a power supply and be back. So now I have a 5-volt power supply. So now let's get this connected with the Arduino. So just Arduino, because we have to make the ground common for Arduino and this, so we can connect the lights then. So first we'll positive to the positive. So this is connected. Now let's get the negative ground connected to the of the power supply. This is connected. Now let's, so this will be, so the white wire for me, this one, white wire in my original LED strip. This is the diagram. So the first wire from here would be ground, then which is white for me, and the digital in, which is green for me, and this is red for me, the positive wire. So there will be 5 wires, so 2 extra wires, so they will be power, but the powers are connected. So both the grounds are connected and both the positives are common basically. So always remember to connect it from the signal wire, so the digital to the green wire, from where the arrow is pointing to your right or upward. So the wiring will be same for this LED RGB strip. So let's do that, and let's connect both of these them, and positive, connect this positive to this positive. So I connected the positive to positive, negative to negative, and then I connected the negative. Yeah, this negative. Yeah, no, positive actually. The positive to positive of the other LED strip, and then now let's connect the negative to the same thing. So let's do that. Negative to yeah. So that's connected. So now this is negative, positive, this is positive, and now the signal wires left. So this will be green, and digital in. So the arrow going upwards denotes that this side, from this side you need to give the signal. So that's one thing to note. So now let's connect the signal wire. So we forgot to make the ground common, so let's do that. Now let's take the digital 2. So according to my code it's digital 2, you can edit it. So digital 2 goes here, then make a wire with a 3-way connection, then one goes to Arduino, one goes to the RGB LED strip, and one goes to the second RGB LED strip. So you can use one digital pin to give output to 2. So let's connect this now. So this one is where we need to connect. This is connected. Now let's connect this with the other one. So this is connected. Now one thing we need is your V in. So it will be right besides this ground. So just mark that V in and connect this to your power supply, which will be right here. So always remove your VN whenever you do your uploading, or whenever you connect your Arduino to the computer. So this will be the connection part. So now go upload the code in the description. I'll just give a brief about the code right now. So I'll be using the fast LED library. Then so I'll just tell you about the code. I've already uploaded it, and This code will be in the description, so you can download and use the same code. So I'll be using the fast LED library, and this define number LEDs is the number of all LEDs you have in your RGB strip. So I have 30, as you can see. Then define LED pin, so the digital in pin for your RGB LED strip, which is connected to your Arduino. So it is connected on my digital 2 pin. Then define the analog read pin for the microphone. Then mic high and low, so this is basically the lowest your mic receives wherever you live. So it's 64 for me, and one maximum will be 1080. So you can check this by going to files, example, and then basic analog read serial. So this is change this to analog one. I have it on analog one, and then just upload the code so you can check, play some music and check what sound is maximum or minimum for you, and then put it right here, replace the values, and that's actually it. And the other thing is basically the how the color schematic changes and stuff like that. So let's not go into much detail. Yeah, so that's the code. Just upload it and you'll be good to go. And now I'll show you the full demo. Bye.